Hi. So going over to Cam's house right now because they went and bought some Coke and Mentos. Yeah, so you already know how this vlog's going. So yeah, I'm gonna go over there and do stuff. What's up? Back at it again with another vlog. And I already told you what we're doing today. But yeah, it's been a while. I haven't really been filming anything. For one video, but it's kind of lame. What should I talk about? It's been going on for a while, like really long while now. But I haven't really put much on the vlogs. I'm like really getting into flipping and stuff like that. If you follow my Instagram, you already know this, but like you definitely already know this, but I can flip. It's pretty great. Yeah, I'm really getting into flipping. I almost died. It's super fun, I love it. And yeah, I was just gonna say that because there's gonna be a lot of videos of that soon. We're almost to Cam's house, and we're gonna light these fireworks. And not fire, what the f? Wait, where's the Mentos? Have you already put Mentos in it?
Nope.
No.
We shook it up.
What's the point?
No, you're gonna throw it on the ground like a bottle.
Oh, you got two. Better angle, bro. Okay, go. See, this one doesn't have any Mentos in it. Oh my gosh. Frick!
What the? What? Drink it! Get it! You're stupid!
This sucks. Yeah, put it on your mouth. Put it on your mouth. That freaking sucked. Just drop it in and then like screw
Put it in your mouth and chew it.
No.
Here.
Okay, so we're flipping that. We're gonna take this end onto the cap, stick it in, screw it on so it doesn't get everywhere. We got it down to a science.
It'll work. No, let's do it outside though.
Yeah. I almost just dropped it. Oh, I got it.
It's like a surgery.
And then you just like, so I gotta stick it down and then twist.
You gotta do it fast. And then shake it up, shake it up.
Oh my gosh!
Oh, dude. Now loosen the cap. What the heck? You have to loosen the cap. It's gonna blow up.
Oh my gosh, this thing's already. Hold on, it's gonna blow, dude.
It's gonna blow.
Okay, everyone watch out, watch out. Watch out here. Ready?
Oh no! Oh!
Oh my gosh!
The carnage. Oh my gosh, it blew straight out the bottom. Well, that was fun. Okay, we're gonna have some pizza and we're gonna flip on Cam's tramp. No. So I'm gonna do a flip.
It's your video, you do it first.
No, but I want to start it out with someone else so I can actually care about other people. Be like, look at me, guys, I can do a flip. I want to start with someone else.
Start with me, go.
What?
I got a pack, hit him and do it again. Yeah, I'm fucking a friend. I got bands, one day I'm flying to friends. Drinking till I land. You got a man, know what I do to your mans. No, I ain't in the hands. Took an L, I ain't took one again. Crash a Rari, so I hop so bands. It's crazy how they watch a young gon' move. It's crazy, worry about yourself, make a move. You steady watching all the winning, you gon' lose. I don't gotta.
Let's go on go. 3, 2, 1, go.
You steady watching all the winning, you gon' lose, I don't never lose. Flying my mom to Japan, flying my dad to Japan, we in a band.
Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I haven't vlogged in a while. This is only 5 minutes. I like it only 5 minutes because it's pretty funny when it's 5 minutes. Yeah. And I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Peace. Bye.